Just imagine fresh fish straight from the ocean being prepped, dipped into sizzling oil, and to your plate, eaten with hot kenkey. Guys, this is heaven. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. My name is Ondiro Oganga, and it's December. It's the festive season, so we're going to look for food. Okay, we celebrate by eating, by living life, having new experiences. Friends of mine recommended a place called Fish Factory. These are some of the pictures that they sent me. Looks nice, right? So I decided I'm gonna go look for the place. It's called Fish Factory. It's in Labadi Palm Wine, next to around Poger's Furniture. So yes, that's where I'm going to have some fish and bring along. Before we get into it though, click the subscribe button. Well, the process of prepping the fish is simple to the experts, but to those of us who are seeing it for the first time, it could be complicated. So first, the fish is taken out of the cartons, then they remove the scales, then they cut it in such a crafty manner to remove the intestines and also just in smaller portions for frying. Then the fish is washed and blended with a special flour before it is fried. As the fish cooks, the fish must be eaten with something, so we cross over to the kenkey place where the ladies are busy cooking the kenkey and also like packing it in dried maize leaves. Yeah, I don't know what to call it in English because English is not my first language, but this is just a process that it goes through, and then once the kenkey is ready, the fish is also almost ready, and your meal is ready. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Make it. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Okay, give me like 5 or 6 CDs.
So this is 4 cedis.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, give me the head also. Okay.
So I do okay for
We have our food. We want to dig in and try this place. And the chickens behind me. So this place was proposed by Gloria. And she showed me pictures. She'd come here and I said, oh, why not come and try? So let's start with the fish. At least it's something I know. Yeah. That's really good. Ooh, the pepper. The pepper is legit. It's legit. Also, this, it's so hot. This will be my first time trying kenkey. I'm a little bit scared, but also excited because it's made from, I think, I've seen the same process of making ugali. It's almost the same, so we'll try and see. I like the fish and the pepper. Also, look good. This is the kenkey. By the time I'm done eating, like my camera is always super dirty. First try. Let's try it together with the fish so that it I think it's almost like just ugali. It's just a little bit fermented. It's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. But the fish, oh, the fish is legit, you guys. Come and give Fish Factory your money. I feel like that's almost what I'm always saying when I go to it somewhere. But it's the truth. Okay? Come give them your money. And it's not like far. It's a bit hidden. Like when you come to palm wine in Labadi, then you get to, I think, Poga's Furniture. When you get there, and that's where Fish Factory is, you'll easily be directed. I'm gonna cut out, show you me eating so I can eat, and then I'll see you as we wind up, right? Guys, do you remember how it started? I want to show you. I'm done eating, so I want to show you how my plate looks like. I was unable to finish the kenkey. So that marks the end of our vlog. I am so happy. I am full. It's behind me. Can you see it? There. Labadi, palm wine, cave, Pogas furniture. When you get there, if you ask anybody Fish Factory where they fry fish, you'll be known. Shout out to Gloria for giving me this recommendation. Come try and let me know what your experience will be. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Again, remember to hit the subscribe button. Ghana is very humid, that's why I'm sweating. But remember to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next vlog. The goal is 10K. So just give out and drink this year. The goal is 10K. So ensure you help assist reach 10K. That's your Christmas gift to me. So help me do that by clicking the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.